Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to contact Expensify. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch Expensify, and here you will see concierge, okay, in your inbox, and you can just ask them anything because that is the easiest way for you to contact them. They'll actually give you 24/7 real-time support, okay? You can also go ahead and email them at concierge@expensify.com. And if you want to contact them as a press or media, this is their email address for that. Okay. And if you want to contact their CEO, this is their email address, dbarrett@expensify.com. And remember, concierge is the easiest way for you to get responses in minutes. Okay, so you just come here and type anything you want. Let's say I need some help, and then just send your message, and they will reach out back to you as soon as possible. So that is how you contact Expensify.